Welcome, my name is Steve with CloudArc, and in this video we'll walk you through how to create email templates directly from setup in Salesforce. This will include both HTML templates as well as plain text templates. Email templates are one of the most powerful ways to communicate consistently with your leads, contacts, and customers. They save you time, standardize your messaging, and help your team stay on brand. Now we'll go step by step to create a professional email template in Salesforce Setup, and then we'll see how to use it in your daily workflow. Let's get started. From anywhere in Salesforce, click the gear icon in the top right corner. Once you've done that, choose Setup, and in the quick find search box on the left, type Classic Email Templates. Then click Classic Email Templates under Email. Even though you're using Lightning Experience, this setup area still supports both HTML and text-based templates. On the Classic Email Templates page, click the New Template button. Now Salesforce will ask what kind of template that you want to create. You'll see four options: text, paragraph style emails, HTML using letterhead for branded emails using a saved letterhead design, custom without letterhead for pure HTML code that you'd write yourself, or Visualforce for advanced dynamic templates used by developers. In this demo, we'll look at the most common two, which are HTML with letterhead and the text templates. Now select HTML using letterhead and click Next. Now you'll choose a letterhead which defines your email's header, footer, and brand colors. If you already have one, select it. Otherwise, you can use Salesforce's None option to keep it simple. Then click Next. Now give your template a name and details. In the folder, choose where this template should be stored. For example, sales or customer support, etc. Available for use, check that box so users can actually send emails using that. The email template name, example, welcome email subject, example, welcome to CloudArc. Click Next to move to the content screen. Here's where you can design or code your email message. You can use the rich text editor to add paragraphs, bullet points, links, or images, or switch to the HTML source view to paste your custom HTML design, like from a marketing team or from a designer. You can also insert merge fields to personalize your message. For example, hello, in brackets, contact first name, welcome to CloudArc. We're excited to have you on board. Merge fields automatically pull the data from the record when the email is sent. Now once your contact looks good, click Next. Review your plain text version, Salesforce will auto-generate it, and click Save. Now let's create a simple text template, perfect for system alerts or internal communication. Go back to the Classic Email Templates page and click New Template again. This time choose Text and click Next, and then Enter. The folder email template name, for example, lead follow-up text version, subject, quick follow-up from CloudArc. And in the email body, just type your message directly like this: hello, in this case I'm putting the lead first name in there. Thanks for reaching out to CloudArc. Our sales representative will contact you within 24 hours. Click available for use and then save your template. And that's it. You've just created both an HTML and a text email template from setup. To use your new template, open any lead, contact, or opportunity record, click the Email tab under Activity, click Insert, Create, or Update Template, and choose your saved template. Salesforce will automatically fill in the subject, body, and the merge fields. Now you're ready to send. In real Salesforce projects, HTML templates are used for customer-facing emails like onboarding, thank you messages, or marketing follow-ups. And text templates are generally used for internal or system notifications, like lead assignments or case escalations. Always remember to test your template by sending it to yourself before publishing it to your team. Now that you know how to create email templates from setup, both HTML and text, check out our other videos where we show you how to increase your Salesforce efficiency while also reducing your license costs. In one of our videos, you'll also learn about Salesforce's OSP rebate program, which can help you reinvest the savings that you generate from licenses into additional training and consulting. And that's it. Please like and subscribe if you like this video, and see the description of this video for other links that are helpful. And we'll see you soon. Thank you.